Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous video we already learned about this optical flow and form-back optical flows. Also we compared these two kind of optical flows, and in this video we are gonna focus on to the dense RLOF optical flow. This is based on to the article of this one, which is Robust Local Optical Flow. So this is implemented in 2012, also inserted to the OpenCV with the version of 4.1. Before this version you cannot reach to this class. So this is basically the story of this dense RLOF optical flow. But what this is for, maybe before starting we can talk little about this optical flow. Actually this is based on to the real cases for real world situations. This is implemented for that case. This is considering the shadows in the behind. Also this is why called robust. We cannot tell this this class is more accurate than this optical flow and form-back optical, but we can clearly say, because in the name also you can understand robust. This is more robust than two others, but we are meaning in the video or in the sample you are giving as input to this class, you can be sure if it's giving you a detection, if it is giving you a motion detected, you can trust it more confidentially than these two classes. So that's why we are calling this the name also robust. So about robustness you can trust this one, but it can also missing many motions in the view. This is the main characteristic of this optical flow. Okay, we are gonna focus on to the parameters and their usages for the next video. For this video we are only gonna focus on how to use this class. Okay, this was the example from the previous video. We don't need this for now, and we can comment out this timer things, and all we need to do is just changing this class into the new RLOF optical flow. But this is not in the CV namespace, so we need to also copy this header into our code, and we need to call the other namespace, which is optical flow, and just calling dense RLOF optical flow. Similarly, we need to copy this into here, and our code is ready. I think we can run it and see. Okay, it crashes because this is actually requesting 3 channel images, so we are converting it into in here, so we don't need to convert it into the grayscale images, so we can directly use our input. Okay, we can rerun and see the result again. This is our billiard example. Let's see. So the object is moving, but there is no detection. You can see here why it is. I think this is because of the parameters we are giving. So we are basically using the default parameters. So for the next video, by changing the parameters, I'm sure we can detect the motion of these small these billiard balls. But for focusing, maybe I'm sure. Okay, so when the player is moving his arm, you can see it's directly detecting the motion direction. You see it's giving you some vector, so it's detecting successfully. Because also at the beginning we talked, this is detecting the real world scenarios. So this is this is a real man, so this is just moving in the video and is successfully detecting, but it's not able to detect the balls. It's not because this is not really real world scenarios, but because of the parameters. Parameters are also designed for mostly human cars or kind of objects, big objects detection, so maybe that's why it's not detecting these small balls. Okay, also for just trying, we can try a different highway video in here. So we can just change our billiard video with the highway and retry. Okay, just see how it's working here. You see when the objects are bigger, it's also successfully detecting in here, but if the cars are far, which is meaning their size is small, it's not able to detect. I think this is also because of the parameters we are giving, but about robustness, we cannot directly tell for these videos this is better than the others, but yeah, for most of the cases it's gonna be robuster than the others. For this video, just basically I wanted to show you what this RLOF optical flow is doing, and also how we are using that one. And I'm done for this video. See you in the next videos, and we are gonna talk about the parameters. We are gonna talk about the details of this RLOF class. Okay, see you.